When I count down for the new year, my favorite part is the fireworks. Everyone loves fireworks. Today we are going to create stunning fireworks with salt. You will need a thick paper, white glue, lots of table salt, paintbrushes, and watercolors or food coloring. Black paper makes the colors pop, and the white one makes the end look clean without any stains of salt and glue. Draw a line with glue on a piece of paper. But if you want this to be perfect, draw out your design with pencil first. Then you can outline your design with glue. Once you've traced your design, add a lot of salt to cover the glue. Gently turn the paper sideways, then upside down to pour off the excess salt to reveal your salt outlines. You can reuse the salt for the next picture. Now let's color. You can paint them when the glue is wet or dry. The point here is to get the brush really wet and then just lightly tap the salt. The color spreads out once it touches the salt. Unfortunately, the salt and glue tend to easily shed off of the regular printer's paper and the color fades after a few days. So make sure you are using thick paper such as watercolor paper if you plan to hang them up or cut them out. I really love the process of creating this salt art. The shape looks 3D with a beautiful crystal-like texture. You want to try it with me? You can make any design you want. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!